So check it out. Here's another Lionel behemoth I was able to add to the roster. It's a 726 Berkshire. It's made in 1946. I know that because it's got the flag holders on the pilot. It also has the Baldwin drivers and nickel rims. I had to polish the side rods. Took it apart because the smoke unit wouldn't work. So I looked inside the little tube that's in there where that blows the air up through it was clogged. And I also cleaned out the old wick and put in one of those new little Pac-Man discs. So the original heating element still works, and not that great, but so I might replace it later on. But for now, I'll leave it in there. And after we run the locomotive for a little bit, it starts working pretty good. And so I also have my railsounds tender to it, and I have quite a long train. The 726 didn't come with magnetraction, and it doesn't need it. As heavy as this thing is, it's just a beast. So we're going to run it and check it out. Here we go. As you can see, it pulls quite a long train as long as I want to run on my layout. And now the smoke unit's working better. And you can pick the camera up and kind of follow it around a little bit. Gives you an idea how long this train really is. I love running those railsounds tenders with these old behemoths. They run so good anyway, and then just gives them new life with the sound. And we'll put the camera back down. Catch it. Well, the smoke unit's smoking pretty good now. Guess it just took a little breaking in. Who knows how long this engine sat. Turn the camera little bit more right there. There we go. We'll give it one more lap, why not? Move the camera a little bit, here we go. All right, runs great. So glad to have this one. Goes nicely with my other Berkshires, and runs great. If we give it rail sounds tender, and you've got as good as anything you're going to buy today, and you're going to get a lot better price on it. And so you don't have to pay a lot to have nice trains. Just be patient, and deals will come along. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord. Oh, and make sure you wish your mothers happy Mother's Day and be good to your moms. I lost mine 3 years ago, and I sure miss her.